Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Today in this video I will be sharing few more things I buy from Costco which are really very nice and seasonal too, and also I will be sharing only one recipe which I prepared for a party. Look at the beautiful weather, very foggy and very beautiful to look at, not very cold. We have come to Costco. Here this fruit cake is a seasonal cake only. Always you will find it during the time of holidays, that is from Christmas to New Year. After New Year you will not find this cake. Every year it will come only in this season. Today it's a weekday and our experience in weekday is very less. Usually we'll come to Costco in weekends only. Only few things I needed and I've come to buy it here today. In weekends and all, we won't be able to get these samples. We have to stand in queue or very quickly get over. Now you see lot of samples got to try. Here very good thing in Costco is you will get samples of most of the things and you can taste it, and if you want you can buy. I tasted some ice cream, mashed potato, this one, little bit of honey, and also stir fry vegetables. Other than that there were lot of things which were non-halal products. Like that you can taste and buy. That's the specialty of Costco. See, again when we are coming out, very beautiful weather. It is very beautiful to look at. Whether it is nice or not, very hard to drive, but the weather is not too cold also. As it's Christmas New Year time, nice beautiful lightings here and there. These lightings will stay long until New Year, and it's very beautiful to look at in this weather. Another thing I will be sharing from Costco is one more sweet treat, that is sticky toffee pudding. It is nice caramelized pudding, I can say. This also we got as a sample over there. We liked it and bought this box. Little expensive but very beautiful. You just have to open this box and do microwave for 2 minutes and you can serve it nice and hot with a scoop of ice cream. Actually without ice cream you will feel it's very sweet. No, you have to serve it with ice cream only, because it's a nice toffee like taste which is very sweet. Otherwise this ice cream cuts the sweetness. I don't know what's the reason, but it is very tasty with the combination of this ice cream. Any party, very easily buy the sticky toffee pudding and you will get loads of compliments, and very easy to serve also. Now you can see for party I have taken this 30 leg pieces, that is drumstick, chicken drumsticks with the peel on it. You can see skin on it. I have just added salt, ginger garlic paste 3 tablespoons, lemon juice, nice quarter cup of lemon juice I added, chili powder, pepper powder, and a little bit of oil. Nicely rub all over these leg pieces and keep it to marinate overnight. I am going to take 20 leg pieces for the party. Rest 10 I will keep it for our house. I will show you how I did. Overnight marination will make these leg pieces extremely softer. That too if you have nice big drumsticks and all, right. The masala won't enter inside and you will feel bland or you will feel raw. This type you marinate with lemon juice and keep overnight. It will be very nice. Last night I gave few cuts also on these leg pieces after a little while when I thought I need to give. Now in the morning I'm just giving a nice flip flap upside down so that the masala don't stay in the bottom. I have kept it in oven 350°F for 1 full hour. Until then let's prepare the salad. For that I have taken lettuce, tomato, cucumber and radish. Radish very little, a hint of sharpness to this salad. That's it. This is also for party only. Nicely chop everything. Don't do too small chops, nice big so that everybody can handle it easily. I am going to prepare a dip both for salad as well as for the chicken legs. You can see I have taken 1 full cup of yogurt and any sauce whichever is available in your house. Any hot sauce or even Maggi tomato ketchup if is there. I have added tahina paste, that is sesame seed paste, salt, pepper and mustard also. All these together nicely blend it, and you can fill it in a dispenser if you have, or you simply keep it in a bowl. Now I have kept it like this and prepared it for taking it for the party. See, this way you can prepare it and keep. Just before serving, you can drip all that topping I'm saying it is the dip. Now again I'm going to prepare a very rich coating for the leg pieces. I have taken half cup of butter, to that chili powder and store bought chicken tandoori masala or 65 masala or any tikka masala. Anything you get from store bought one, use that. Nicely give it a good mix. Now I will be adding even 1 full cup of yogurt. All this fully mixed it together and make a nice rich coating for that leg pieces. This is little extra only I have made and kept. I will be preparing even some other dishes by the side. You can prepare half the quantity for the same leg pieces. Now it is nice little bit warm. After removing from the oven, leave it out, let it cool down completely. Now I don't have time to leave it for so long. I am doing it when it is warm. 10 pieces I will give some masala now first, because they are so soft and juicy and tender, right? Only 10 pieces I am taking. Give the masala, nicely apply masala, otherwise they will nicely break and fall apart. So quickly I am just going to give generous amount of coating on each and every leg piece, and we will be setting it up in a tray for keeping it in the oven once again. I will tell you what I did. Like this, slowly, gently, all over the leg pieces, give the masala. Handle it when it is cold. Don't handle it when it is hot itself, because when it is hot, it is more tender. It will tend to break more. So 20 leg pieces I have prepared for party. Rest of the 10 I will prepare and keep for our house. And I will just give a spray of this oil and keep it in oven. Only in broil mode I am going to do. Now I am not going to on bake mode. In broil mode, first I have kept for 4 minutes. I take it out. I will just flip all these leg pieces on one side. You can see in broil mode how beautiful it has got roasted. You can see the roasted texture on top, right? Now everything we will flip and give one more oil spray. Of course, do not skip butter while preparing the coating. Butter is the one going to give extraordinary taste for these leg pieces, but still spraying oil will make much more beautiful char on top. That's why I'm giving that. Again, last 2 minutes of broil mode I'm going to keep, and our beautiful tandoori leg pieces are very much ready. Again, I have taken a nice metal tray in which I have covered it with aluminum foil, because before serving, again we will keep it in the warmer inside the oven there in friend's house. So always keep in mind, serve it in this kind of metal tray so that you can reheat it and keep. Always serve the food nice and hot. That's all. Don't throw that soup, which came after boiling these leg pieces, right? That you can use in macaroni or while preparing curry, or it's a best stock for any kind of non-veg recipes you prepare. Save it in fridge. You can prepare soups also with that. So that's how I saved it and use it. Finally, I am drizzling the dip on the salad, and the same dip I will be drizzling on the chicken leg pieces also. Just take a look at all these starters too. Very tasty. I got loads of compliments for these tandoori leg pieces, as they were very soft, tender and juicy, and the taste was also ultimate. I'm sure all of you will try the same. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.